Hello everyone, hope you all doing great. So before starting the video, I just want to request you all, if you're liking my content, please do subscribe the channel and hit a like before leaving. So today's topic is fraction. We will discuss like fractions, unlike fractions, how to compare the fractions and the operations, how to operate the fractions. See here. So like fractions are written over here. Like fractions are the fractions that have same denominator. So fractions with the same denominator, say a by b and c by b. The denominator is what? Same. So these two fractions are like fractions. So let's take an example. 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, say. These two fractions are like fractions. Now we have to compare which one is greater and which one is smaller. We have to compare the fractions. So in the figure, I will break this whole into 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are 8 equal parts of a whole. So I am taking 3 by 8. So this is the shaded area for the first fraction. This is 3 by 8. And in the second diagram of the same whole, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. These are again 8 equal parts of the same whole, and we are taking first 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this area, this region is fraction 5 by 8. Clearly from here you can see which one is greater. Obviously from the diagram it's very clear that 5 by 8 is greater. So in the like fractions, the fraction with the greater numerator is always greater and the second one is smaller. So here these 5 parts are covering more area. So this 5 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. This is the logic. So with the greater numerator we will have the greater fraction, the greater like fraction. Next is unlike fraction. Unlike fractions are the fractions in which denominators are different. So if we have two fractions, say a by b, the other one will be c by d. Here denominators are different. But in the first case here, there are two types of unlike fractions. In the first type of fraction, when the numerator is same. Numerator is same because we are here talking about the unlike fractions, so denominator will always be different. Say let's take an example, 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. So these two fractions are with same numerator but different denominator. So this is under the category of unlike fraction. So we have to compare here too. How will we find which one is greater and which one is smaller? Let's take a whole. 3 parts we will do, 1, 2, 3, and I am taking 1 by 3 in the first fraction. Let's take again the same whole and taking 5 parts, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 5 equal parts. So taking the first part, 1 by 5. So this is the diagram for 1 by 3. This is for 1 by 5. The whole is same, of same length. So which one is greater? Clearly 1/3 will cover the more distance because parts are less here. So 1 by 3 is what? Greater than 1 by 5. So the result is what? The fraction, the unlike fraction, when the numerator is same, the fraction with the smaller denominator will be the greatest or greater than the other one. Result is saying fraction with smaller denominator will be greater of given two fractions. So this is the result for the unlike fractions when we are comparing the fractions with same numerator and different denominator. Second case is under the unlike fraction. Second case is when numerator and denominator, numerator as well as the denominator both are different, both are different, then it is also a type of unlike fraction. How will we compare such fractions? Say 4 by 5 and 5 by 6. We have these two fractions. How will we compare such fractions? First, we will convert such fractions, convert into like fractions when we have to compare. Clearly, denominator is different. No need to check anything. This is an unlike fraction because denominator is not same. But the case is second one, as numerator is also not same. So we will have change the fractions, convert these fractions into like fractions. What were the like fractions? Like fractions were the fractions with same denominator. So we will make the denominator same first. How will we do that? We will just take the LCM of the given fractions, LCM of the denominator of the given fractions. So what were the denominator? 5 and 6. So the LCM for the 5 and 6 is what? Nothing in common they have. 5 6 are 30. So 30 is the LCM. Now we will make 30 in the denominator. So first fraction is 4 by 5. We will multiply this 5 by 6 to make it 30. To balance the fraction, we will multiply the numerator with the 6 as well. So we will multiply numerator as well as the denominator by 6 just to make the LCM value in the denominator. So this fraction is 6 4s are 24 by 30. Second fraction was 5 by 6. Here again to make the denominator 30, 6 5s are 30, and to balance the fraction we will multiply with the same number in the numerator as well. It will become 25 by 30. Now we are having two fractions. What they are? After converting these, we have two fractions, 24 by 30 and 25 by 30. Now denominator is same, so can we call this as like fractions? Yes, these are what? Like fractions. So in the like fractions, as I have told you, the fraction with the bigger numerator is greater. So here this fraction is greater. This was the result of what? 5 by 6. This is 4 by 5. So 4 by 5 is less than 5 by 6. This is how we can compare the unlike fractions having different numerators as well. So this was all about the types of fractions. In the last video I have discussed other types as well. Like and unlike are here in this video. Next we will learn how to operate two fractions. So there are basic operations in the mathematics are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. We have discussed every corner of the chapter in these two videos. The last one I uploaded and this one. So next is how to add two fractions. First case, I'm just taking example, say 7 by 8 plus 3 by 8. We have to add these two fractions. Clearly these are what? With the same denominator, like fractions. How will we do? We will just write the denominator which is same once, and we will add the numerator which is 10 by 8. This is our answer. Second, again 7 by 12 plus 3 by 12. You can do it by yourself. Just write the denominator once. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 12 will be the answer. Next, third example for the addition. When we have to add the unlike fractions, how will we do that? We will just take the LCM of the denominator. LCM. So we know the LCM of 2 and 6 is 2 1 the 2, 2 to the 6, that is 2 into 1 into 3, which is 6 again. So we will write the LCM here 6. So we will try to cancel out 6, will cancel out on 1, 6 1s are 6, that 1 will be multiplied here. 2 3s are 6, that 3 will be multiplied with this 3. Fine. So this is equals to what? 5 plus 9 by 6, that is 14 by 6 is the answer for this addition. Fourth example. Say again 2 by 3 plus 1 by 7. Again the denominator is different. We will take the LCM. Clearly there is no common factor, so the LCM will be 7 3s are 21, and you can do it by yourself and get your answer. Fifth one is when we have mixed fractions. In the last video I have given so many examples and the concept of the mixed fraction. You can check from there. So simply what we will do, we will just, this is a whole part, this is whole, this is a part, this is whole, this is a part. So this is a mixed fraction. We will just add the whole parts from both the fractions. So we will take 4 plus 3 first, then we will put the sign of addition again, and we will add these two parts. These wholes are 7 plus addition of 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4. Let me complete the solution for this one. So this is, now we are having 7 plus 2 by 3 plus 1 by 4, which is further equals to 7 plus. Now this is again, unlike fractions, we will take the LCM now. LCM is what? Clearly LCM is nothing is there in common factor. 4 3s are 12. So 3 4s are 12, that 4 will be multiplied here. 4 3s are 12, that 3 will be multiplied here. So this is equals to 7 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3 1s are 3 by 12. This further is equals to 7 plus 11 by 12. This can be written as 7 whole 11 by 12. So this is our answer for the addition when we are having mixed fractions. This is the way what we will do. We will just add the whole parts first and take it in bracket, and rest of the parts we will add and put them in bracket. Solve these, whether these are like or unlike, we know how to solve the parts, and we will get the answer. Leave your answer in mixed fraction because the question was in mixed fraction. Same way we will discuss the subtraction. Subtraction of fractions. How we will do the subtraction? Take first example. 12 by 15. This is the method is same, just sign has changed. Like fractions, we will write the 15 once. 12 minus 7. So you can get the answer here. Second, if I have 1 minus 2 by 3, how will I do? There are two methods, by taking LCM or by just converting this one as, to make the denominator same, I can write this one as 3 by 3 minus 2 by 3. Taking 3 ones, 3 minus 2, that is 1 by 3 is the answer. Third case is unlike fractions. So the same way we have done in the addition, we will use same method, the LCM method. So the LCM for 6 and 4 is what? We go on to 2 to the 6, 2 2s are 4. So 4 into 3 is 12. So the LCM is 12. I am writing here. So 6 2s are 12. What we are doing in LCM? 12. This LCM divided by 6 It is 2. We will multiply this 2 with the numerator. So 2 into 5, I am writing here minus. Now this LCM, take in the numerator, divide it with the denominator. 4 3s are 12. That 3 will be multiplied with the given numerator. So I am having 10 minus 9 by 12. Ultimately 1 by 12 is the answer. So when we are having like fractions and when we are having unlike fractions, method is same as addition, just signs has changed. Plus is now minus. Third again is mixed fraction example. 4 2 by 5, say minus 2 1 by 5. How will I do this? Again, what I will do, I will take the whole parts with the sign in between, then plus. Plus of what? 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5. We are left with 2 plus. Now these are like fractions. We will write it once. So 2 plus 1 by 5, which can be further written as this. Leave your answer in the terms of question. So question was in mixed. We will leave our answer in mixed fraction. Next operation is multiplication. So this was all about addition and subtraction of fractions. Next is multiplication. Very simple, quite easy as addition and subtraction. Just a sec. So how will we do this? When I am, first example, when I am multiplying a whole with a part. Second again, whole with a part. Third is, I am writing it like this. Fourth is, I am writing say 9 by 4. And fifth one is mixed fraction. Whole with a mixed fraction. How will we multiply all these? See here. In the multiplication, there is just a single method. Just multiply the numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. I can write this 2 as 2 by 1. Nothing will change into 1 by 5. Method to multiply the fractions are multiply these two. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. Result is 2 ones are 2, 5 ones are 5. This is the answer. Same way, you can do it by yourself. Next is 1 by 2 of 24. Of stands for multiplication. If of is written, you have to multiply it. So 1 by 2 of 24 means 1 by 2 multiply with 24. 24 I can write it as 1. Method is same. Numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So 12 is the answer. Next is this is already a part, this is also a part. So again 1 into 9, 2 into 4, that is 9 by 8. Next is the last one is, I would like to write here, the last part is 3 into 5, 1 by 5. So this is equals to what? I will just simplify it first. I will not directly multiply this with 5. This is wrong. We will just make this mixed fraction into improper first. So 5 5s are 25. That 25 will get added into 1. That is 26 by 5. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 is 26. Now I can write this as, with 1 in the denominator, I can write this as, nothing will change. So now we will multiply 3 into 26, 1 into 5. You will get the answer. If the question is asking us to leave the answer in mixed fraction, then we have to leave the answer in mixed fraction only. Otherwise, you can write it in improper way. If they are asking for a particular way, leave the answer in that way. So next is the division. Before shifting to division, let's see what the reciprocal is. Reciprocal of a number. Say I have a number a, its reciprocal is, I can write this a as a by 1. Nothing will change. So reciprocal of a is equals to what? Or a by 1 is equals to what? Or a by 1 is what? We will interchange the values of denominator and numerator. We will write the denominator as numerator and numerator as denominator, just interchanging the values of n and d. So if I have a number 9, say, so what will be the reciprocal of it? Reciprocal will be 1 by 9. So 2 by 3, reciprocal of 2 by 3 will be 3 by 2. This is called reciprocal of a number by interchanging the numerator and the denominator positions. This is making a valuable use for the division of fractions. Let's say division, I am writing here how to divide the fractions. Let's say 1 divided by 1 by 2, we have to solve this. What we will do? We will just change this question into multiplication. Change this division into multiplication. Then we know how to multiply the two fractions, as I just told you. But to make it into multiplication, the value of the second fraction will get reciprocated. So it will become 2 by 1. So when the question is in division, we are converting the division into multiplication and we are reciprocating the next fraction. Fine. So this is 1 by 1, nothing will change. So 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1. Second is 3 divided by 1 by 4. This is divided by 3 divided by 1 by 4. How we will do? We will just write this 3 as it is. Then this division we are converting into multiplication and we are just writing the reciprocal of 1 by 4. So 4 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator. Put 1 here also. So 3 into 4 is 12, 1 into 1 is 1, answer is 12. Third part. 8 by 5 divided by, third question actually, not part. So 8 by 5 as it is, nothing will change in the fraction written in the first position. Just change the sign into multiplication and write the reciprocal for the next fraction. 8 3s are 24, 5 2s are 10. So this is the answer. Fourth is 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4. Do it yourself. So the last one for this video is mixed fraction. How to divide mixed fraction? I am writing here. Two 1 by 5, fifth question, divided by 1 by 5. So first we will make it into or convert it into improper fractions. 5 2s are 10 plus 1, 11 by same denominator, nothing will change. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 1, 6, same denominator, nothing will change. Now this is a question as others that we have just discussed. So 1 by 11 by 5 as it is, nothing will change here also. This division is converted into multiplication and write the reciprocal of the next fraction. That is 6 by 5 will be written as 5 by 6. So here we can clearly cancel out this 5 with 5 and we are left with 11 by 6. This is the answer, but here we have to, because the question was in mixed fraction, so we will leave our answer in mixed fraction. 11 by 6. 11 by 6. 6 ones are 6. 5 is the remainder. So the answer in mixed fraction is quotient, the whole part, then remainder is 5 divided by divisor. All concept was given by me in the last video. You can check the video and get the details. This is the answer. So viewers, this was all about the fractions. The two videos are covering this chapter. Hope you like the video and the concept detailing. Please hit a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.